Good afternoon, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234 and the address is 2261 Southwest College Road. And when you come to Prestige and you see that pretty flag, that patriotic horse, you're home. I want to take just a quick moment and show you a fresh arrival that's here behind me. It's this 2013 Infiniti. And it is just as pretty as you see. I think when I looked earlier, it had a 21 service record in the CARFAX. I believe this vehicle was between $75,000 range new. Leather, third row, smoke-free cabin. It has the upgraded entertainment theater package, I think they called it. It was a $3,100 odd add on this model year when it was new. QX56, third row leather. Black beauty, black on black. It's driven about 3,000 or 4,000 miles a year less than the national average. So just a quick 90 seconds to say hello, let you know of this Infiniti QX56 that just arrived. 21 service records. I think the market price is $25,900, but I'm certainly going to do something special for you when you come. This is Chris at Prestige. We've got some awesome national lenders, fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris credit for folks with new and rebuilding credit needs. And once again, the phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234. And as you can see from those, actually there's pretty blue sky behind me is kind of a distraction. Just what an awesome day that we've been given here. So